Hi, today we are going to learn about measuring sectors. Let's first of all understand what is a sector and how to calculate it. This figure here, the first figure, full circle, represents the full circle here. And this figure, this green shaded portion, this represents the sector of a circle. Sector is any part of the circle. Suppose you imagine you have a pizza. Pizza is a circle shaped and you cut it into the slices. One slice formed will form the sector of the circle, and it is calculated by 1 by 2 times theta times r square, where r represents the radius of the circle when theta is in radians. But if theta is in degrees, then the formula is given by 1 by 2 times theta times pi by 180 times r square, where r represents the radius of the circle. R is radius of the circle. So let's calculate the problems now. Solve. Y and U are on circle F. The radius of circle F is 7 and measure of angle YFU is 117 degrees. What is the area of the sector created by arc YU? So my theta becomes 117 here. R is 7. So area of sector is given by 1 by 2 times theta times pi by 180 times r square, which is equal to 1 by 2 times 117 degrees times pi is 3.14159, 3.14159 over 180 multiplied with r is 7, so 7 squared. This is equal to 18010.73547 divided by 360, which is equal to 50.03 square units. So A 50.03 is the answer. Next problem. Solve. U and V are on circle G. The radius of circle G is 13. R is 13. And measure of angle UGV is 109 degrees. Theta is 109. What is the area of sector created by arc UV? So area of sector will be 1 by 2 times theta 109 times pi is 3.14159 divided by 180 times r is 13, so 13 squared. This is equal to 57871.22939 divided with 360, which is equal to 160.75 square units, which is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Solve. T and G are on circle H. The diameter of circle H is 14. Now diameter is 2 times radius. So 14 is equal to 2r. This implies r is equal to 7 divided by 2 both sides. And measure of angle THG is 52 degrees. So theta is 52. What is the area of sector created by arc TG? So area of sector is equal to 1 by 2 times theta 52 times pi is 3.14159 divided by 180 times r is 7, so r square is 7 squared. This is equal to 8004.77132 divided by 360, which is 22.24 square units, which is the answer in the A part. I hope you can practice more problems on measuring sectors now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.